Okay, so our next problem that we're going to solve here is our luminous range. So similar to our geographic range, where with geographic range, we were trying to see how far we could physically see an object based on our height of eye, its height. With the luminous range, we're trying to figure out how far we can see a light from based on its brightness and the visibility. Okay, so every light out there with our aids of navigation has what's called a nominal range. That is what's at the bottom of this luminous range table, the nominal range of the light. Okay, so that's the standard range that light can be seen from, given on a 10 nautical mile visibility. Okay, so what we're gonna do is take the nominal range and with a given visibility, so on the luminous range table, we see these curved lines which have a downward slope to them. These are the visibility lines. So we have 50, 200, 500, 1,000, or a half a nautical mile, 1 nautical mile, 2, 5.5, 11, and 27. So it is possible for lights to be seen past 10 nautical miles. So we're given the nominal range on either the light on the chart, or we can look it up in the light list. The problem will give us our visibility, and what we are solving for is the left side of this table, is the luminous range. So you can see the numbers on the side here. There may be times where you land in between and you may have to interpolate a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna flip to the first problem here. And it says, what is the luminous range of Old Plantation Flats light if the visibility is 5.5? Well, Old Plantation Flats light happens to be right here. All right, so FL4S, that's the light characteristic. 19 feet is the height. That is something we would use in geographic range. What we're using is this 7M. That is the nominal range of the light. Okay, so that's my nominal range. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna come back to my luminous range table or diagram here, and I'm gonna line up the 7 nominal range right here at the bottom. So there's 6, there's 8, 7's right between. I'm gonna line up the back edge of my parallel plotter. I'm gonna slide this up the table while keeping it on that 7 to where it hits, make sure I'm still in there, hits the 5.5 curve right there. I'm gonna draw a line from there off the side. Now we can see here's 6, here's 4 nautical miles. We're slightly less than halfway, so I'd say we're right at 5 or probably just under 5 for our luminous range. Let's flip over to the answers and take a look. Well, we know we can't see at 7 miles. That would be the max range we could see this, and the visibility is 5.5. We certainly weren't very close to 6. We were halfway between 5 and 6. So that would actually make B the most likely answer at 4.8 miles for the luminous range. And so that's how we solve that.